Hello friends, happy Friday. Today I have a short video. I am finishing up my decorating in the dining room. I am going to be working on the buffet, and then I will show you how the whole room looks. So let's get started. The first thing I've done is place my cabbage soup tureen. This was a great find. I got it many years ago at Goodwill, like for about $7. There's no ladle and there is a small chip on the rim inside, but of course it's not for soup. The next thing I've placed is this little bunny here, actually a tall bunny. He has a little basket that I will be decorating, but I want to get started on my typewriter first. I've added a greenery bush here. This is just one I've had for many years. You can find these at Hobby Lobby still. I added some of those salmon tulips with also some light green and white ones. The next thing I've done is add, you can kind of see it in the back, in the middle, kind of sticking up a little piece of greenery there. And then I added a few more picks that have some yellow berries and some pink berries. I did do a little bit of fluffing there. Some of my tulips had moved, but now it is time to do that basket on the bunny. The first thing I'm going to do is put some Spanish moss inside there so I can stick my flowers in. I just have a little piece of that salmon tulip. And then I'm going to add a couple more pieces of greenery. Then I'm also going to be adding a couple eggs and another bit of this greenery that just has some leaves. Now I want to get started in between the soup tureen and the bunny. So the first thing I'm doing is putting another one of those little fern greenery bushes there. And then I'm going to be adding a pick here, you can see on the left, that has some yellow berries, and then over to the right I have another one with a little bit of yellow berries and some dark pink berries. I'm not going to add any flowers, but I am adding 3 Easter eggs right there, just to kind of tie in with the eggs that the bunny has in his basket. The next area I'm going to work is between the lamp and the soup tureen, another one of those greenery bushes first, and then I'm going to be adding the same tulips as I have on the typewriter. Of course, we got to add a few more picks in there. You can see I added the same kind of picks, and that is all I'm going to do on the buffet. So let's check it out. Now let's see how the whole dining room looks. Next week, I'm going to be decorating in my formal living room, the entry off the front door, and the little hallway off to the right of the living room. I hope that you enjoyed the video today, and I want to wish everybody a very wonderful weekend, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.